calling all world quizzes. Analogies are like puzzles that compare things in a clever way. An explanation that compares a complex idea to something familiar, highlighting shared features to make the unfamiliar concept easier to understand. This guide will turn you into an analogy master. What's an analogy? Imagine socks. They go together because they're a pair. An analogy is like that, but for words. It shows how two things are related in a specific way. Here's the format. First word, A. Second word, B, are equivalent to third word, C. This reads as A is to B as C is to D. Breaking it down, A and B. These are the first two words that create the relationship. Example, teacher and classroom. This symbol means is related to. C is where your detective skills come in. You need to find a word that relates to the fourth word, D, in the same way B relates to A. D, this is the answer choice you must pick. Finding the perfect match. Think about the connection between the first two words A and B. Look for an answer choice D that has the same kind of connection with the third word C. Here are some common types of analogies. Function. Example, hammer, nail, key, lock. Both are used to open something. Size. For example, mountain, hill, ocean, pond. One is much larger than the other. Cause and effect. Example, sun, daytime. Rain, storm. One thing causes the other. Tips for tackling analogies. Focus on the relationship. Don't get hung up on the individual words. What connects them? Think logically. Eliminate answers that don't make sense. Example, a teacher wouldn't wear a stethoscope like a uniform. Consider size or skill. Sometimes a relationship is about size or importance. Example, a teacher is like a leader of a classroom, so a doctor might be like a leader of a hospital. Practice makes perfect. Ready to test your analogy skills? Try these examples. Book, shelf is related to A, shirt or hanger, B, food or plate, C, car or road. Second, fast or slow are related to A, happy or sad, B, hot or cold, C, big or small. Third, teacher or classroom are related to doctor. Option A, nurse, B, patient, C, hospital. Bonus challenge. Create your own analogy with a friend. Take turns coming up with the first two words A and B and see if they can both find the matching word for answer choice D. Remember, don't be afraid to ask your teacher for help if you get stuck. With a little practice, you'll be a master of analogy solver in no time.